Okay, hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that once I post video you get an alert. Okay, so today we're doing head scrunches. Okay, so I have 3 stripes already. 1 2 3. Okay, so let me use one and explain to you. Okay, here to here is a 5 inches. Okay, as you can see it's 5 inches. Then from here, the length I'm using is a 37. Okay, 37 inches for the length. 37. Okay, this. So you have to have 3 of this. Okay, so the next thing I'll be introducing you to now is a stripe we're using to hold it. When we finish, must have finished making it. Okay, it's 5 inches, so you can use any fabric you want. Okay, so I've already folded in half to half. That's 1 inch on both sides. Okay, I'll be able to close it up, and at the end we're going to stitch it to make it permanently folded. Okay, so next thing I have also with me is a net and a thread. Okay, this net is what we'll be using to stuff it up. Okay, I will show you the way you achieve it. Okay, so this thread we're using to hold the both end after stuffing it up. I'll also show you what to do with it. Okay, so the next thing we'll do now is this. We are going to get the stripe, take it into 2 like this, just this way. Okay, we'll do it this way, and we'll do it this way. We use half inch. We'll use half inch to hold it. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. We use half inch to join it together. We'll do it to this 3 stripe. Okay, the fabric I'm using is a doll face. You can use a craft for this. You can use a scuba, any fabric you have you can use. So let me go to the machine and close it up. This two up. If I close it up, I'll tell you the next step we'll take. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I've stitched it from one end to another end. So the next thing we'll be doing now is to trim off here. Trim it off. So the next thing we'll do now is to turn it. Okay, we'll turn it outside like so. So I'll turn it and give it a good press. I'll press it very well with my iron and show you the outcome. Okay, guys, as you can see, I've turned it and I've ironed the 3 of them. They are neatly ironed. Okay, as you can see, so this is the inside and this is the outside. So the next thing we'll be doing now is to stuff it up with a net. Okay, guys, right now I'll be teaching us how to fold as in pad up our stripe. Okay, this is our net. So you make sure that here the tip of this net, as in by length, is equal to what your stripe is, the length of your stripe, which is we use 37. Okay, so it's 37 in width. So what you do right now is to fold it like this. You can see what I'm doing. Okay, just keep folding it to get the thickness that you want. Okay, what I'm using for this is net, normal skin net, but this one is a little bit thick. Okay, so when you go to the market, you can ask them, when you get to the market, you can ask them a net that is a little bit thick, not the soft one. Okay, I've done so. Okay, as you can see, understand. So next thing we'll do now is to get our thread. You know, I showed you thread at the beginning of this video. You have to tie it up, understand. The reason for tying it up is to help it to remain folded. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'll coil it so easy, so you easily tie it up at this end. Okay, I've tied it. You just get the other end too and do the same thing. Then when you tie it up, leave a certain amount of loose thread. You don't have to cut it away. I will show you what to use it for. Okay, so this is another one I'm tying right now. Okay, so what I have to do now is to make sure that it's tied up perfectly at the end. You can see the way it is, so easy. Okay, so right now I have a screwdriver. If you have a stick, you can use. All you do right now is to use this thread, tie it around the stick or your screwdriver. If you have a screwdriver that is as long as this, or even a short one can also do this. Okay, get one of your stripe. Okay, we'll be passing it through. This just my own way of doing it. Okay, my video, I like showing everything. I'm sorry, I don't keep anything behind. So what I'm doing, I'll pass it through here so that it will enable me to bring out the net, or to pass the net from this place. Okay, you know the thread is already on the screwdriver. Okay, so guys, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that once I post video you get an alert. Okay, so see, the next thing you do now is to push the beginning of the net inside. Okay, so easy. Good. So I'm just trying to tell us a way to do it. When I'm doing video, I don't keep anything behind. Okay, because I would like you to learn. You see the way I'm pushing it. Just carefully pull it, because you will not like your thread to also cut. If it cuts, you have to start afresh. Okay, so you have to gently and neatly do it. See how easy it is. Very, very easy. Very, very easy. So just follow this method. Okay, follow this method, you will not regret it. Then if you want, you can also use cotton wool and stuff it up too. So but for me, net is cheaper. So guys, this is it. Okay, there is this play, you know, net is a bit stretchy. This excess, you trim it off if you have excess in your own. Okay, let me trim it off. So this is what we'll have, and I have already done for the 3 already. Okay, I've already done for the 3. So guys, you can see how it is so neat, so beautiful. Please subscribe to my channel, okay? So the next thing we'll do now is, as this tray is now, we have to make them come together. You stitch through it, okay? You have to stitch through it like this. So I'll go to the machine and stitch it and get back to you, okay? You see it? Just make them connect to each other, okay? So I'll get back to you. Let me stitch it. Okay guys, I just decided to put something on it so that I can be able to plait it, okay? So see what I'm doing now. I have to plait it from beginning to end. You can call someone to help you hold it. So guys, what I'll do next is to stitch that end, and then I'll bring the other head of, as in the other end, and join them together. I'll go to the machine and do so and bring it for you to see. As you can see, I've joined it together. Understand? Just see how beautiful it's looking. Understand? Here is a little bit rough, okay, but we still need to close it up. So here comes, still need to close it up. So here comes this, okay, this 5 inches length, this thing I told you about. So what I'll do now, take it to the machine and sew it from one end to another end. Same with this, okay? See it, I've stitched it. Why I decided to stitch it because of, I don't want it to pull off. Maybe I want the tip to be folded so that it will be very neat, okay? Just turn it to the wrong side. This is the wrong side, okay? Then I decided to make this long. I didn't tell you the exact amount as in length that I use, okay? Because you can't just predict the exact length that you should use. So just make it as long as you want, so that after doing this you can stitch it, okay? So what I'll do now, this is the wrong side that is facing you, as you can see. So the next thing I'll do now is to close it up, take it to the machine again and close it up, okay? I've done it, I've stitched it. So what I'll do now is, I really like neat jobs, okay? So that's why I'm passing through this. So I have to cut it out, okay? I've cut it out. So I have to now turn it back to the right side. I will turn it and show you the outcome. Guys, this is the end of our tutorial, okay?